So many of you probably watched the previous videos I've made on this Hoover Quik Broom Encore with the 2-speed motor. Some of you may have seen my videos of the bare floor cleaning. On one video I tested it on its high speed, and the other one I tested it on its low speed. But that was just how much this thing picked up. And I'm surprised it even picked up even on the low speed setting. But now I'm going to do one final video, and that's test how it is on low pile area rug cleaning performance. Now, I would like to point out, if you want one of these things to perform its best on these low pile area rugs, you should always run it on high speed, and that's what I'm going to do in this video. So, away we go. Okay, so let's see the end results. All right, so we just give this top filter a good little shake. I'm seeing dust flying out the back here, so that's probably a good sign. Maybe we could expect quite a good bit got picked up. All right, let's analyze the results. Okay. Already there's a whole lot of fine dust particles and a little bit of heavy. Little bit of heavy stuff in there, but it's mostly fine particles. Not much really got trapped on the filter. That's the only thing I would like to point out. The only downfall to this, a lot of the dirt particles will get trapped on the upper filter, and you just want to give it a nice little shake before you empty the thing. But that is just how much a straight suction machine, or at least any Hoover Quik Broom, can pick up. Even those single speed motors practically run always on what this one will be considered high speed, so that's fairly impressive cleaning performance if you ask me. Anyway, I'll let you be the judge. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.